Mario, do you think they're gone? It's been like 2 hours.
We barely made it out of our lives. You know something? Look, he jumped the fence. He escaped.
He escaped.
Maybe we should have followed him.
Maybe, no, the Yoshis would have found us and then they would have went over the fence. Maybe
I got
he's going
a plan. Let's go look for more survivors.
No, they're gonna
It's too risky.
I think hopefully Rookie made it and he's getting help.
We should get moving.
Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we might not make it, Luigi. Yes.
Maybe. Oh, Mario, look.
Oh my God.
That's what they're doing.
He's eating that guy.
I shouldn't have thrown them at the fence.
They're eating that, shouldn't they?
I know what we can do. We need to find an apple tree and make apples come from.
It's the middle of the fall. What makes you think we're gonna be able to find like apples? We're not gonna be able to find an apple tree. Wait.
Oh my God.
They're eating Bowser. I've heard of this.
How are we gonna have to use trees? Or do we not go this way?
I don't think we can go this way. Let's go a different way.
Stay here, I'm gonna go on this.
Alright. Wait.
Look, there's a cat. It's alright.
Oh my God. This is strange. What was that noise?
Let's go.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
What was that?
This might not be good. Come on, we should go faster.
Mama Luigi!
Help me, guys.
Oh my God! Run! Right, Bowser's dead.
I'm another one of the survivors. There's so Mario!
Oh my God!
You know what?
Guys! Oh my God! They just ate dry Bowser. He's just bones. He's not gonna taste that good. I can't.
Let's go behind that tree.
Yeah. Go behind the tree. Oh my God.
I've heard of this. They're calling the others. We got to get out of here quick. They're calling more.
Let's look over.
They're eating.
We should show some
Mario, they're coming.
respect to Dry Bowser.
They're coming over! Fire Luigi! Run!
Yoshi!
Oh.
Run!
Luigi!
Mario, run!
Right
behind us.
Luigi!
Take this!
Oh, he's done.
It's over here!
Luigi, we've been cornered! We're cornered!
No! We're going to die!
Blue Yoshi!
Climb the house!
Yes!
Get to the window!
Hurry!
Get over here!
Fire Luigi!
No.
Fire Luigi!
I ran out of bullets in my gun! No!
Fire Luigi! Oh my God! Oh my God!
No! You know what? You killed my brother, you beast!
You bees!
They can't get us here!
Oh, they're throwing themselves at us!
I put up this.
Oh! No! Fire Mario! Hurry! They're all over! They're throwing them! Oh my god! Oh, these feral yoshis! Oh my god.
Don't hit the window, you dinguses!
Throwing themselves
Does anybody have a wing power up?
Luigi!
Luigi's knocked out!
No, I'm not. Get out! No, my hat! My hat! No. Oh my god, your hat's gone! My hat. What do we do?
Does anybody have a wing cap?
Out! Get out, Yoshi!
Does anybody have a
Bad.
wing cap?
No. Bad! My head's gone. Bad! Bad Yoshis!
I know what we gotta do. We gotta make a jump on top of that shed.
I don't even know if we can make that jump. It's pretty far. That was your hat! Oh, my hat!
I got it! Here,
good.
take your hat.
Okay. Stop throwing yourselves at us! These feral Yoshis!
Just wait a
They
little
just
bit.
don't stop.
Just wait a little bit. Eventually it'll get tired.
Oh, it's been an hour. There's
Come on.
Fire Luigi!
3 hours later.
I'm not dead. How? I'm not dead. They threw me.
They hit the camera. Oh,
They're
Luigi.
leaving.
They're leaving. They're leaving.
And I'm gonna go see fire. Fire Luigi. Oh, I'm surprised they didn't try to eat me.
They were too distracted by us.
I know.
Let's go.
We gotta find a fence. We gotta do what Rookie did. They're starting to get tired. It's like night time.
Dead. A net.
Catch the Yoshi. Let's catch those dumb Yoshis.
Yeah, let's use the net on them.
I know what we gotta do. Let's yell their
I'm
worst.
gonna put a deep in. Yoshis!
Yoshis, come here!
Dinner time!
Luigi! We got one. Got that
We got
one.
one.
I mean, so at least one of them's out.
All right, I think I know what to do.
But
Get
fire
out
Luigi.
my knife.
You don't have a knife.
We don't have
you
any
lost
weapons.
Damn it! They took everything but my parts. They took my gun and my knife.
Okay, we got the red Yoshi into a safe place. Let's
I'm
put
gonna
another.
do it.
Another
I'm
trap.
gonna do it.
Yoshi, look!
More dinner.
I'm stuck.
More dinner. Come here.
That's the Yoshi call.
They're eating it right now.
Run, it didn't work!
It didn't work. What?
Let's hide. We need to hide.
Keep running.
Oh my god. There.
Go Bowser.
Yeah. Bowser's fat enough. Uh-oh. Luigi? You got him?
I got some.
Got him.
We got you, you idiot.
Don't hit them.
We got him.
Let's trap it.
There we go. The orange one.
They're trapped.
Showed your face like 3 times. Alright. Alright.
We might have to knock the rest of them out because they're not gonna fall for the net.
The Yoshis will The Yoshis are gone.
Man, what is this?
Maybe we should try to fight them.
It seems
I don't know.
They're zombies. These are
No,
just
they're
like,
wild Yoshis. Let's use a stick. Let's go. Luigi. Hey, Yoshi! Get him!
like killing them big stuff.
Get him!
Run.
They're gonna. They ran. They got away. Oh no. They're coming back! Oh. Alright.
Why are they running away?
Luigi, come over here. Alright. So Luigi. They ran away. Mom, Luigi's dead.
No.
Good thing there's 1-ups. Yeah. So
Threw a Goomba at us and then ran. We think we're safe.
yeah.
Oh, let's just go in the house. I think we're safe.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go in the house.
Well, guys, let's go in the house. The Yoshi's left.